In this video, I'll show you how to delete or remove your Bitcoin account on Cash App. So the first thing you need to know is that Cash App doesn't give you a direct option to just delete your Bitcoin wallet by itself. The Bitcoin account is automatically created inside Cash App, and you can't remove it separately. But there are two ways you can deal with this. The first option is to contact Cash App support. To do that, open the app, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, then scroll down and select Support. From there, you can use the chat option to explain the issue with your Bitcoin account. If there's something wrong, like an error or a problem you want fixed, they'll help you resolve it. But if your goal is to completely delete your Bitcoin account and stop using it altogether, the only real way to do that is by closing your entire Cash App account. To do this, go to your profile, scroll down to Support, then search for Close Account. From there, choose Close Your Cash App Account and follow the steps. Once you confirm, your Cash App account will be permanently closed, and that also deletes your Bitcoin wallet linked to it. So in short, you can't just delete Bitcoin separately. You either contact support to resolve an issue, or close your full Cash App account if you want it gone completely. By the way, if you're looking for a smarter alternative to Cash App, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. It's hands down one of the best ways to send money, whether it's within the US or to friends and family overseas. Right now, they're running an exclusive offer. Sign up using the link below, and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with zero fees. Wise consistently beats banks and other payment services on fees and exchange rates, and the reviews speak for themselves. Best part? Creating an account is 100% free and takes just a few minutes. So if you want to save money every time you send money, click the link in the description. Create your free Wise account and grab your free $800 transfer today.